Hi guys. Today I want to share a little adventure I had recently with CSS classes and UX. Here I have an application in which I can dissect a message by selecting some of the proposed fields. I can also select the substring that I want to extract, and the tooltip will appear automatically, asking me to confirm the extraction of the substring. When there are a lot of proposed fields, the user can use this scroller to check the ones on the bottom. Everything is looking slick. But wait, there is a trouble in this case. I noticed the scenario where my tooltip was playing hard to get. It's sometimes partially hidden. When I select a substring and there are no suggestions for it, I can only use the tooltip to extract a new field. Yet, I can only see a small part of the tooltip, which is awkward. The UI looks broken in the light and dark mode. I tried to fix it with Z-index, but nothing seemed to work. So let's check the template of this area. As you can see, I'm using a bunch of Tailwind CSS classes here. And one of them is overflow-hidden to keep things tidy. So I decided to kick out the overflow-hidden CSS class from my layout. And guess what? Magic happened. The tooltip revealed its full glory. The user can see it now, interact with it, and all is right. So what does the CSS class overflow-hidden exactly do? The CSS class overflow-hidden is used to control the behavior of an element when its content is larger than the specified dimensions. When applied to an element, it hides any content that overflows beyond the boundaries of the element's box. In other words, it prevents content from protruding outside the designated area, ensuring that it stays hidden and doesn't disrupt the surrounding elements or the overall layout of the web page. This is particularly useful for maintaining a clean and contained layout. But in our case, it wasn't needed in this place because the scroll bar area starts actually from here, from the code line 47 in the template. And it has also overflow heading, overflow y auto CSS classes. This means I can safely remove overflow hidden, overflow y auto from the parent div. So what's the moral of this story? Sometimes in the world of CSS, overflow hidden might be your trusty sidekick, but you need to adapt to the situation. In today's case, it was holding back my tooltip, but by bidding farewell to it, everything fell into place. And there you have it, folks. This little tale from the coding trenches reminds us that every CSS class has its time and place. Don't be afraid to experiment and tweak. If you'd had a similar adventure, share it in the comments below. Happy coding and see you next time.